Have you ever get annoyed by the apps that are popping up automatically when you start up your computer? Today I will show you how to take the controls for your startup apps. Either you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, the process will be same. First, let's see how to disable apps opening on your startup when you start your PC. Just right click on your taskbar and here we want to go to Task Manager. Let's maximize this. In Task Manager, let's expand this window and here we have the Startup Apps option. So here are the apps with startup status. Some are disabled or some are enabled. So let's see if you want to disable any of app starting at the startup. Just right click on it and click the disable and you will see the status here change to disable. Now let's say if you want any customized app to start when the computer start up and that app isn't in this list, let's close this, press Windows plus R key and here we want to type shell startup and then press OK. Now we are in the startup folder. Just go ahead and select your any app, drag it here and add it to the startup folder. Now this app will open automatically whenever I start my laptop. And that's how you manage startup apps on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Just go ahead and disable what slows you down and add the apps you actually need. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.